Good afternoon. This is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate named Navdeep Singh and candidate number 4009. Navdeep, are you ready to start? Can you tell me something about yourself?
Well, my name is Navdeep Singh and I belong to Shanfur. It is near Samral and I am a sports person and my heritage is football because I achieved many trophies of play football.
Do many people of your country play football?
Yes, in my country most of the people like to play football because it is a very fruitful game and it helps to increase the stamina of the player.
What kind of playing facilities are available in your hometown?
There are many sports facilities are available in my hometown, such as it has a bigger playground and apart from this it has a bigger volleyball match and most of the people like to go there at evening time and I also go there and I play many type of games out there such as football, cricket and volleyball.
What are the benefits of playing outdoor games?
There are a lot of benefits to play outdoor games such as because it helps to help to maintain their body fitness and they are very beneficial for our health.
How we can encourage new generation to play more outdoor games?
We can do a lot of things for encourage the new generation for such as we can create a seminar for younger children and do a lot of things for encourage children to play outdoor games.
Okay, I'll put you some questions related to trust. Who do you trust most?
I trust most on my mother because they love me not and they do not cheat me in my life.
What kind of people do you trust?
Most of the time I trust on my soft-hearted people because they are very kindful nature and peaceful.
Okay. Have you ever lost trust on someone?
Yes, in my past I lost the trust to my friend because he cheated me because he did not tell me my examination result because I am very sick on my exam test.
Do you trust artificial intelligence?
Yes, sir, I believe that artificial intelligence is the future of humanity because most of the work done by the artificial intelligence and they done every work with fully fluency and in less time.
Okay. Well, I'll put you some questions related to your childhood. Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I did a lot of enjoying in my childhood because I have no worry about in my childhood and I used to play all the day in my childhood.
What kind of activities do you perform during your childhood?
I did a lot of activities in my childhood such as I ride a bicycle and sometimes I went to playground for play many games with my friends.
Do you have many friends when you were a child?
Yes, I have a lot of friends in my childhood and most of the friends belong to my village because I did not go outside from the village in my childhood.
Are you still friend with the people of your childhood?
So,
are you still friend with the people to whom you know from the childhood?
yes, I know many people who are very close friendship with me since my childhood and I have also and in that time I have well known person who I meet in my childhood.
Okay. Do you think childhood age is the best age of our life?
Yes, childhood is a very joyful age of our life because we have no worry about anything and we can do anything in our childhood.
Okay. Do you still remember the first memory of your childhood?
No, I did not remember properly because in my childhood my memories were not sharp and I forgot many things which are related in my childhood.
Do you still have any of your childhood toy?
Yes, I have a one toy in my I have a one toy which I play in my childhood and that is a remote control car. It was given me by my father in my 8th birthday.
Okay. Okay, so this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic, 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 4.
Can I
Yes, please.
describe a water related event?
Okay, start.
I get a lot of activities in my leisure time. I do a lot of activities in my leisure time, but here I am going to talk about activity which I want to do in my future when I am totally free from my work, and that is swimming, because swimming is the best exercise for maintain our body fitness, and it helps to increase our stamina, and it is very beneficial for our eyes because we can saw under the water during the swimming. And I decided that I join a swimming academy in my nearest city, and I go there every day with my friends, and during swimming I collect photos and upload on my social media accounts. And apart from this, I will do a lot of curricular activities related to swimming, such as I will do workout during for starting the swimming, and after that I do warm up my body and start preparation of swimming, and moreover I decided I hire a coach who teach me about the swimming and help me to learn the swimming skills. And because I do not have experience of swimming till now, but I want to learn this skill because it is very fruitful skill. And
Sufficient. Okay, can I get my question back, please? Thank you. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to free time and leisure activities.
okay, sir.
How important is free time for individuals?
Free time play a very important role in an individual's life because people can rest in their free time from their work and study.
Do people learn something about themselves when they go for such leisure activities?
Yes, people can learn from themselves when they do any curricular activity in their leisure time, such as they can find their hobby and passion which in they are interested and they are expert.
While doing leisure activities, is it good idea to take risk?
Sorry, sir.
While doing leisure activities, is it a good idea to take risk?
Take rest.
Risk.
Yes. No, I think it is not a bad thing because people can do many things in their free time, such as they can give their free time to their hobbies, and they do many activities in their free time, such as they can find their passion and hobby during the leisure work.
What benefits do people have when they travel to new destination for leisure activities?
So, sir, please.
What benefits do people have when they travel to different destinations for leisure activities?
People explore many things when they go for traveling, such as they meet new people and explore new culture of that place. and they become socialized when they go for travel.
Do you think an individual feels demotivated when he does not get enough free time?
Yes, it is true because people feel very stressed and depressed, and they become depressed when they do not achieve free time, because people do work all the day, and if they do not give a leisure time from themselves, then they feel very upset and they did not concentrate on their work.
Okay, Navdeep, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.